Guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Tejaswini. I'm super duper excited today because I'm sharing one of my favorite Indian chicken starters, that is pepper chicken dry. So without any further delay, let's get started. In a bowl, I'm taking 500 grams of chicken with bone, half a teaspoon of salt, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder. To that, I'm adding half a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 2 teaspoons of crushed green chilies. Give it a mix. I think this is the simplest marination ever. I just want to get the chicken to soak all the spices in so that it doesn't taste bland when we cook it later. So let this rest for 15 to 20 minutes. In a pan, I'm taking 2 to 3 teaspoons of oil, 3 teaspoons of finely chopped garlic, handful of curry leaves and 1 sliced onion. Fry them onions really well. I get really excited when I work with curry leaves because the aroma and the taste it adds to any dish is exceptional. Here we are trying to achieve the crunchiness in them because the satisfaction you get when you have it with chicken, trust me, it takes you to another level. Like I said, I really love this dish and I'm sure you guys will love it too. To that I'm adding a teaspoon of salt and give it a mix. Now I'm adding the marinated chicken. Fry it for a minute or two. And guys, the quantity I cook is for 2 people. So if you guys want to cook for 4, 6 or more, you can always double the quantity I've used. And now to this I'm adding 3 teaspoons of freshly crushed pepper. Coat the pepper well to the chicken. And of course this is my version of pepper chicken dry, but if you ask me, the best pepper chicken dry I've ever tried is in Murali Military Hotel in Chennai, Patna. Please comment below if you have tried there, and also let me know if you guys want me to try in any particular restaurant you think I should. Now let's close the lid and cook the chicken for 5 minutes on medium heat. Okay, looks like it's done. Let's check. Wow, look at that. Look at the fat around the meat. Awesome. So let's fry it for a minute or two to get it all together, and it's done. And if you guys try it, please tag us on Instagram and also like, share and subscribe to our channel. And thank you so much, and I'll join you guys in my next video.